Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 3.6 question number 1 G, right? The G question number in G there are three numbers, that is 70, 105, 175. We will solve question number G, right? That is G. That is one number is 70, another number is 105, and another number is 175. We have to find the HCF of the following numbers. First of all, we find the factors of 70, that is dividing by 2, we are getting 2, 3 is 6, 2 5 is 10, and 5 7 is 35. 5 7 is 35. Therefore, you can writing 2 into 5 into 7, and 105, 105. We divide it by 2, divided by 5. 5 2 is 10, 5 1 is 5, dividing by 3, 3 7 is 21. That is 5 into 3 into 7. And next number is 175. 175. Here also we divide it by 5. That is 5 3 is 15, 25, 5 5 is 25. And again 5 7 is 35. 5 7 is 35. That we can write here as 5 into 5 into 7. Therefore, we can write HCF of 70, 105 and 175 is, first find the common. Here is C, that 5 is common in all three, that is 5 into, here is C, 7 is also common in all the three, that is 7. You find 7, 7, 7, that is 5 into 7 is equal to 35. Therefore, HCF of 70, 105 and 175 is 35. This is the solution of question number G. Next we will do question number H. Now, question number H is 91, 112 and 49. Right? 91. First of all, we find the value of 91, factors of 91, that is 91. We divide it by 7. 7 1 is 7, 8 9 22. 7 1 is 7, 8 9 21. 7 3 is 21. Right? That is 7 into 13. Here you can write 7 into 13. Next is 112. 112 divided by 7. 7 1 is 7. 42. 7 6 is 42. 7 is 7. 4 42. 7 6 is 42. And again by 2. 2 8 is 16. 2 4 is 8. And 2 2 is 4. Therefore, we can write here as 7 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and 49. 49. We know that 49 is 7 into 7, that is 49. Here you can write 7 into 7. Therefore, HCF of 91, 112 and 49. 49 is, what is common in all the three? You see, common is 7 in all the three. 7, 7 and 7. Therefore, HCF is, answer is 7. Right? Therefore, HCF of 91, 112 and 49 is 7. This is the solution of question number H. Now, we do the next question, that is I. Question number I. Now, question number I. I is 18. Question number I. That is 18, 54 and 81. Now, we'll find the factors of 18. That is, factors of 18 you see. Factors of 18. We'll divide it by 3. That is 3 6 is 18 and 3 2 is 6. That is 3 into 3 into 2. That is we can write 3 into 3 into 2. Next is 54. We'll find the factors of 54. 54 by 2. 2 2 is 4. 2 7 is 14. 3 9 is 27. And 3 3 is 9. Therefore, the numbers is 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 and 81. 81. We divide it by 3. 3 to just 6. 7 21. 3 7 is 21. And it is 3 9 is 27. It is 3 3 is 9. Therefore, we can write here as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now HCF of 18, 54 and 81 is, what is common you see? Here you see 3 is common in all the 3, right? That is 3, and here you see also 3 is, another 3 is common, 3 and 3, right? Therefore, 3 into 3, 3 into 3, that is 9. Therefore, HCF of 18, 54 and 81 is 9. Right? Therefore, this is the solution of question number I. Next, we will do question number J. Now, question number J. Question number J. In question number J, there are 3 numbers. One number is 12, 12. Another is 45. And the number is 75. Now, we'll divide 12 and the factors of 12, that is 2, 2 6 is 12 and 2 3 is 6. That is 2 into 2 into 3 and 45. 45. That is divisible by 5. 5 9 is 45 and 3 3 is 9. Therefore, we can write 5 into 3 into 3. And another number is 75. We divide it by 5. That is 5 1 is 5, 6 7, 5 5 is 25. Again by 5, 5 3 is 15. That is, you can write here 5 into 5 into 3. Therefore, HCF of 12, 45 and 75 is, you see the common, we see that 3 is common in all the cases, 3, right? Therefore, it is 3. Right? Therefore, the HCF of 12, 45 and 75 is 3. This is the solution of question number J. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.